Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and this is another video about object to fit object to path. And I've started playing around with the rotation, and I've got my two objects. And if you've been following, you select that one first, and hold down the shift and select your path. I'm going to pick my top left origin. I'm going to go progressive versus none. And then I've been playing around with this. I'm going to start at 0 because I don't want it to change the original, but when you change these, it changes the spin angle, and I found 0.11, and then it changes the spin angle to 38, and voila, makes it look a little bit more natural. Now it's still upside down, but we can definitely mirror it and make it look more like a vine growing up. And then you could always Control D and make a duplicate, and then shift it over, and voila, you have a vine. Now we can delete the inner line and make it darker. Whoop. Get rid of our docker, change it to black, and change it to something other than a hairline, and scale with object. Let's make it a little bit thicker. It's hard to see one of the things in the way, but there you have a more consistent, and you might have to play around with this a little bit. One thing I like about it, it hasn't like blended them together, so you could still move them around. Set your nudge factor on something pretty low, 0.001. And you could grab that one particular leaf and nudge it down to the stem. And you could even rotate it. Make this one and double click on it and put it more to the center. Anyway, it's pretty cool to play around with this. Give it a shot sometime if you have Corel 2018 or above. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.